Have you ever pondered what lies beneath your feet? Wondered perhaps what secrets the Earth holds deep within its core? It's a veritable journey to the center of the Earth, an odyssey of discovery that unveils the composition, structure, and phenomena of the planet on which we reside. The Earth, our home, is not just a simple sphere. It's a complex structure composed of several layers, each with its unique properties and processes. Imagine peeling an onion, but instead of tears, you encounter a fascinating journey through time and matter. First, there's the crust. That's where we live. It's the Earth's outermost shell, a thin, silicate rock material that forms both the continents and the ocean floors. It's much like the skin of an apple, relatively thin compared to the other layers. It's here that we find mountains, valleys, and all the geographical features familiar to us. Then we descend into the mantle. This is the widest section of the Earth, stretching about 1,800 miles deep. It's composed of silicate rocks rich in iron and magnesium, which, due to the immense pressure and temperature, behave like a viscous fluid. This layer isn't static, it's always in motion. It's slow churning, responsible for the tectonic activity we experience on the crust. Diving deeper, we reach the core of the Earth, a sphere of metal over 2,000 miles in diameter. This core is further divided into two sublayers: the outer core, a sea of molten iron and nickel, and the inner core, a solid ball of the same metals. The interaction between these two layers creates the Earth's magnetic field, a protective barrier that shields us from harmful solar radiation. It's a symphony of interactions, a dance of materials, temperatures, and pressures that shape the Earth as we know it. The crust gives us our landscapes, the mantle moves our continents, and the core protects us from the sun's wrath. Each layer plays a vital role in making our planet habitable, in making it a place where life can thrive. So what's happening inside the Earth? It's a marvel of geological processes, a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. From the crust to the core, each layer is constantly at work, shaping, moving, and protecting the Earth. It's a journey to the center of the Earth, a voyage through layers of rock, metal, and mystery. In summary, the Earth is far more than the surface we walk on. It's a complex structure of layers, each playing a significant role in the geological processes that shape our world. The crust provides the stage for life, the mantle choreographs the movement of the continents, and the core generates the magnetic field that protects us. So the next time you take a step, remember you're walking on the thin skin of an amazing dynamic planet.